Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to dive into how to get Canva Pro for free. First you need to do is to make sure you are logged into your Canva account. Then go to google.com, then search for Bingo. This is the site. Scroll down to check for how to use Canva, not Canva, how to use Canva. Here it is. Click on it. Then scroll down again. Then you wait for this timer to count to 50 seconds. Once it is done, click on download. Then here you will see if it is available or not. Now it says get here will be updated in some hours. So after some hours, the Canva Pro will be available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you all in the next video.